Hi guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Zapier to WhatsApp. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open any preferred browser and search for Zapier. This will take you to the official Zapier website. Then sign into your Zapier account to continue. After signing in, look for the left side menu and access the Apps feature. Inside the Apps section, search for WhatsApp and click on the Connect button. You'll then be prompted to enter your mobile number in the required format. Enter your number and send the verification code that Zapier provides. Once you've entered the verification code in the field below, click on the Continue button. This will connect your WhatsApp account with your Zapier account. Now that the integration is set up, you can start creating various automations between Zapier and WhatsApp. Simply search for the type of automation you'd like to create and follow the steps to set it up. For example, you could create a Zap that automatically sends an email to your account whenever a new WhatsApp message is received. Or you could set up an automation that notifies you on WhatsApp whenever a new order is placed on your e-commerce store. The possibilities are endless when you connect Zapier to your WhatsApp account. So that's basically how you can connect Zapier to WhatsApp. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.